Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about cell organelles, which is a part of the chapter Cell, the Fundamental Unit of Life. I will be making the chapter into parts and then compiling it as a playlist regarding the cell organelles. The first cell organelle we will be talking about is the nucleus. First, what is the location of the nucleus? Nucleus is centric in position and oval or spherical in shape. It was discovered by Robert Brown. Nucleus is the most conspicuous and largest organelle of a eukaryotic cell. It directs and controls all the cellular activities, so it is called the director of the cell. So basically, this means that nucleus is centrally located, mostly it is centrally located, and its shape is mostly spherical or oval, which is round. It was discovered and looked into deeper by Robert Brown in 1831. It is known as the director of the cell. Basically, it's a main vital component of a cell as it controls all the cellular activities. So it is the director of the cell. So we'll be looking into the parts of the nucleus. The first one being nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is a two-layered envelope around the nuclear sap, which separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. It is porous and semi-permeable. The outer and inner nuclear membranes also enclose a fluid-filled space in between called intermembrane space or perinuclear space, which is written over here. Okay, outer membrane is studded and has ribosomes on its surface. Ribosomes are small round structures that synthesize proteins. And the outer membrane also connects with the RER. RER is rough endoplasmic reticulum. The nuclear membrane's main function is to regulate exchange of materials between nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm together make up the protoplasm, which is a jelly-like viscous semi-fluid substance in which various cell organelles remain, and it is a colloid, which is the mixture of all the cell organelles and inclusions. Now, let us look at the internal parts of the nucleus. Number one being the nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is also part of the protoplasm. Together with the cytoplasm, it forms the protoplasm. So, nucleoplasm is basically the transparent semi-fluid colloidal ground substance in the nucleus, within the nucleus, and it has the nucleoli and chromatin fibers. Chromatin fibers condense to form chromosomes. It also contains a number of enzymes for synthesis of nucleic acids, several proteins that are also required for other processes such as cell division. Now, the next part is the nucleolus. Nucleolus is a dense, spherical, membraneless and darkly stained structure and is a site of formation and storehouse of rRNAs. R in the small r stands for ribosomal and RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. So nucleolus has these the site of formation where these rRNAs are formed, and it stores all these rRNAs. Moreover, it is where the ribosomal RNA genes are transcribed. Now let us look at the chromatin material, which is the basis to form chromosomes. So basically, chromatin is a darkly stained network of long and fine threads, and during cell division it condenses by dehydration and spiraling, and it forms chromosomes. This term chromosome was given by Waldeyer in 1888. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and proteins. So DNA is basically deoxyribonucleic acid. So DNA molecules contain the information necessary for constructing and organizing cells. Functional segments of DNA are called genes. So we'll be looking at the functions of the nucleus. So mainly, nucleus is known as a master director of the cell. So why is it known as a master director of the cell? This is because it controls all the main activities. It's controls such as cell metabolism. So it controls all the main activities of the cell. So therefore, it is known as master director of the cell. It also has the chromatin material. So this chromatin possesses all the genetic information that is required for the growth and development of the body as an organism, its reproduction, metabolism, and behavior. It also plays a central role in the cellular reproduction, that is, the division of a single cell to form more cells. The nucleus also directs the chemical activities of the cell, which determines the development and future form of the cell. It also helps in transmission of hereditary traits from parents to offsprings by genes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understood about the nucleus and you could revise and learn something from this video. And if you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel, and also comment down on what you would like in the further upcoming videos. Thank you and have a nice day or night.